So, guess I've been having some trouble with my mic. I think it's a sign that I'm going to be needing a new one. Anyway, you remember these? Mario Kart Wii Knex. I'm feeling lucky. I'm hoping it's Bowser. And who do I get? I get... Mamma mia! They took my head! Mamma mia! It's very painful! It's very painful to be Italian stereotype. Please, somebody kill me at my misery. For Shigeru Miyamoto makes me into another game. That's just a little rip-off of Super Mario World. Joking aside, I do like him. It is very nicely sculpted. It's a lot nicer than the Donkey Kong that I gave to my friend. Mamma mia! I am here looking like a spicy meatball. The hell does that even mean? I have no idea. I just be Italian stereotype. I say things. Ragool. My blood is made of ragool and my brains are spaghetti. Yeah! Now I'm headless. Right. Hey, you ever see The Exorcist? Great, my doll is possessed. Hooray. Mamma mia! So am I going on your show for what? Don't make me beat you up like a spicy meatball. Okay, I'll do it as long as you stop with the Italian stereotypes. Just one more. What would that be? Meatball! Yes. I do believe that this will be going on my shelf of interesting items. Yay! Mamma mia!